It's Eddie with Kelowna Hyundai. I've been passionate about Hyundais for the last 3 years, and I'm super excited to be showing you guys how easy it is to use the memory seat function on our Hyundai Santa Fe Luxury Edition. So on the Luxury Edition, you have all of these buttons here to customize your seat. So you can customize the shank portion here of the seat. You can raise and lower the seat height. You can even tilt the seat. Here's for the incline of the chair. And then here is for my power lumbar. Now, once I have my seat settings the way I like, it's super, super easy. You're just gonna press set and then press position 1. Now, if somebody else is driving the car and they're messing about with the seats and you get back in here and it's not quite comfortable, all you have to do is press position 1 and your seat is gonna go right back the way you had it. And that is what Hyundai is all about, is providing a luxury experience for our customers at an economy price that you can all live with. And that's awesome, isn't it? Have a great rest of your day, Hyundai. Really appreciate your time.